You want to sound natural in Swahili fast? Still these daily Swahili local expressions. By the end of this post, you will already sound less like a tourist. Yes, that is a call of action. Join us today and let us practice together live on TikTok. Karibu. Alright, now listen and practice after me.
Uko wapi? Where are you? Nafika sasa hivi. I'm arriving right now. Haina shida. Oh, hakuna matata. No problem. Mbona kimya? Why so quiet? Kula kwanza. Eat first. Usijali. Don't worry. Mambo vipi? How is everything? Freshy. All good. Nimechoka? I am tired. Leo kuna nini? What is happening today? What is happening today? Tulia kidogo. Relax a bit. Acha mchezo. Stop joking around. Sawa sawa. All right. Niko busy. I'm busy. Baadaye kidogo. A little later.